only is going to also be an oddball because the pattern is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, but this is long. So the sound is totally wrong. Sound is not going to work. Oh, only. That doesn't fit into our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel with a short sound. So those are your two oddballs. The last thing I want to show you is your test. This is what your test is going to look like. You are going to have to write your words like you did last time. And then after finding the pattern, you are going to decide, is it vowel, consonant, vowel, silent, island, that gives a long sound. Was it vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, a double, like P and P with a short sound? Is it vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel with different consonants in the middle, like number, M and B, with that short sound, umber, number? Or is it your oddball? So for example, I wrote helmet. So when you go to write your word helmet, you would write it on the line, helmet, helmet. I'm going to identify the pattern, find the first vowel, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. If you have to write above it, you can. That was short. And I see in the middle, those are different. So that's why I put a star here. Best of luck with your spelling, and please come see me or ask your teacher for help if you need it. Good luck.